We have these delicious Polish sliders from U.S. Wellness Meats, along with a grass-fed ribeye of the bison. But it looks absolutely delicious. These are just about ready to turn. This is easy as could be. Just salt, pepper, and you're gonna have a delicious dinner thanks to U.S. Wellness Meats. So I greatly appreciate that. Got this steak. Look at the sear on that. These little sliders. Look how pretty. Little Polish sliders. Looks awfully delicious. We're gonna carve up this beautiful buffalo ribeye while our marinara sauce cooks for our little Polish style meatballs. So let's see how this looks. Thank you, camera woman mother.
Yummy.
Tell me that it's not perfect. There's nothing else to do here. There's salt and pepper, that's it. I mean, this is all you need when you have really high quality, delicious things. So this is it. Oh my God.
Does the camera woman get in it?
You'll get your turn. The bison itself, it's so full of flavor. You can literally taste the grassy notes of what the animal's eating. It's, oh my God. It's unbelievable. This is one of the best steaks I've ever had in my life. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna eat more and cut some for camera woman, my mom, right now. Let's do that. And now what I'm going to do is take our sauce, as so, on each inside. Like that. Look at that. Polish style meatball. You can have a poached egg over this, would go absolutely delicious. Some Parmigiano Reggiano, some nice raw, high quality cheese over the top. Simple and delicious. Because there's nothing like it. I have some fresh parsley. Just let it rain down on the plate. That's so. And if you like spice, like we do, you got some jalapeno. Nice high vitamin C to accommodate our grass-fed meat. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we have to do a taste test, of course. So let's try this out. I'm gonna get it with a nice piece of garlic. Words can't even describe. Words can't even describe how delicious that is. Unbelievable. Breakfast sausage for dinner. Meatballs, Italian meatball style out of breakfast sausage. You can't go wrong. Have a good day. Italy meets Poland.